Good morning, humanities students. So today I'm going to show you a few things. One is the list of assignments since the beginning of quarter four, and then what it looks like in Power School or Unified Classroom for yourself. So first we're going to look at our assignment list here. I'm just going to move this. So when you go into Unified Classroom and you're in social studies, you'll see there's about 8 assignments. All right, so you're going to assign it to your account, look at those. And now I'm moving the screen because I'm going to show you what it looks like if you have missing, collected, or incomplete work. So you can see here that the student did all the actively learned, study.com, ed puzzle, but then is missing a significant amount. The blue square means that it's incomplete, so started but not finished. These check marks means you turned it in on Teams. Haven't looked at it yet, and only you know if you actually did it right now. So if you didn't do it, now's your chance to go back, because when I grade it and return it, that's it. We're halfway through quarter four. You should no longer be turning in stuff that is not finished. So it's up to you to go back and complete it before I grade it. What that looks like in Teams, you can see there's a web quest that was turned in. All I did for this student was give her a check that I collected it because it was turned in. Progress report grades are due from teachers next week. It's a little dim right now in the grading department. A lot of students not completing stuff. So I'm going to upload a document of all the things to do, links on how to do them, and you can use that today in Catch Up Day. But first, check out what you're missing in Unified Classroom by clicking on your cell on your grades. You can find the missing assignments. And I can't go too much further over because I see the person's name. But if you see orange or blue, you need to go back and finish it or do it. All right. Best of luck. Don't forget, you don't have to just do this during school time. You can do this as homework as well.